Welcome to VR Me Up DevLog number 5. I've been pretty busy over the last few weeks adding VRM avatar support to the project. This means that I can now create avatars using products like VRoidStudio. It's really easy to use, fast, and produces really great anime style avatars. It's really easy to change your avatar. Just go to the user menu, select avatar, and then select the avatar you want and press select. Everyone else who's watching you will see your avatar change. It's that easy. Right now, I have a small selection of avatars available, but I plan to add some more soon. I chose the VRM file format as it looks like it may be becoming the default standard for avatars in the metaverse. So hopefully other avatar generation programs with different styles may appear in the future. I refactored the avatar controller TypeScript code in my client-side application so that I can now support multiple different avatar formats like VRM or a normal Blender GLTF rigified model, and I really want to add support for Mixamo avatars in the future. Speaking of Mixamo, the other big change was adding movement animations to the avatars. Previously, the avatars kind of just floated around, but now they can actually run and walk, all using generic Mixamo animations. The hardest part of getting the animations to work was sometimes I have to decouple the control of the avatar from the actual animation. For example, when I move my arms, or when I move my legs, or when I move my head, I can't have the animation running. This took a little bit of a time to work out, but I think I got it working pretty well. It's not perfect, but I'm getting there. I hope you have enjoyed this update, and if you found it interesting, please hit the like or the subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the metaverse. VR me up.